What did them?
How many do you have?
6, 9, 10, 11, 12.
How many fingers do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, try again, baby.
1, 6.
No, 1,
6.
1,
9,
2,
3,
4,
4,
5.
6,
No.
10.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
5.
6. Let's take a picture. I want to take a picture. I want to take a picture. I will hold it. Dad, I want to take.
How many fingers do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. What do you have on your shirt?
Heart.
And what else?
The baby heart.
Baby. Oh, you do have a baby heart. What else do you got?
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Really? What else is on there?
1, 2,
What letters are on there?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What letters are they, though?
20.
20?
It's 20. 8, 9, 10. Oh, let me go get something.
Hey, buddy.
Here.
What's going on? Let's see. You got that pink water?
No, I got red water. Now it goes. Oh, let me go get my pink.
Here you go. You got your gun?
Now, whoa, else we got. And the Wi-Fi room or the old room? The Wi-Fi room! I got it.
What is it?
6, 9, 10. The 6, 9, 10, Dad. But now we go get 6.
Homework?
It's yours. It's all yours.
This is all mine, huh?
It's got 20 nights. Wait. It's got 20.